Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Wi-Fi 6 Mediatek disconnects randomly. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network Adapter. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Type ipconfig space, /release. Type ipconfig space, /renew. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Exit and restart system. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi Mediatek Adapter, click Properties. Click Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, click OK. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset, click Reset Now. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Management. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Mediatek Wi-Fi Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. After uninstall restart system. Sixth method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, uncheck Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.